Hey, it's Kevin Amolsh, Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. I want to get a real quick, unedited, totally raw video out to you because I got some really exciting news. First, the bad news. The Fed raised rates again, another 75 basis points, and the market is reacting. Check out what's going on in the stocks. The Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ all off today. 1.7%, sometimes even higher than that at the time I'm shooting this video. 1.7% in one day. The S&P is down 21% on the year. It's not limited to stocks either, guys. There's lots of pain out there. Oil is off 0.8% today. Bonds are down over 50% on the year. Bitcoin is off its high, 72%. People are hurting. I get it. I do understand. So where do you invest your money? Many of you watching this video know that we bring in private capital to loan out to real estate investors, and we are here to help. So what we're doing in response to all this craziness and all this volatility is we're going to drop our minimum investment amount. Right now, as of right before I shot the video, our minimum investment was $25,000. We're dropping that all the way to $10,000 minimum investment to get started working together. And we're doing this so we could help more real estate or more investors, maybe like you, come up with a solution that's not the volatility and the craziness that's going on in the markets today. So what we do is we bring in private capital into a public fund, and we use that money to loan out to real estate investors. These are low loan to value loans, backed by the real estate in markets we understand, and they are with borrowers that are experienced, good credit, all of that stuff. So we're really trying to set our clients up to succeed, and it comes through in our results. 14 years we've been in business, and we've had absolutely no investor losses in any of our funds that we manage. So 14 years, no investor losses for any fund investor. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We have great comments and reviews all across the internet if you wanted to check it out and Google us and see what you think. In this public fund, we pay a promised 8% return, so it's nice and stable in an uncertain, volatile time. We do also make payments every month, so you would expect to get your direct deposit right into your account on your investment each and every month, unless you wanted to reinvest it. And in that case, you can compound interest like you do with a normal savings account. Here's the best news. Well, maybe the best news is dropping our minimum, but here's the second best news. This is a liquid investment, so there might be some delay getting your capital back upon a request of your capital back. We're not a bank. We don't just have the money that we could just instantly give it back to you. We loan it out in real estate deals, but we don't lock you up either. You're not going to be tied into this for any set amount of time like you would be with a CD or something like that. So you can invest with confidence. If you don't like what you're seeing, if you want your money back, you find a different investment that you think is better, simply request your money back and we'll give it back to you. $10,000 minimum. You could always add to it with this one exception. We are in the process of our 6th fund. So this is fund 5 that we're lowering the minimum to right now. We have our 6th fund underway. And each time we do a new fund, y'all, we are lowering the return to the investors. As we build our track record up, we don't need to pay our investors as much. So we're lowering that so we can be more competitive with our lending to real estate investors. So this is a chance you can get in for as little as $10,000 at an 8% promise return. You can get more information at pinefinancialgroup.com, and you can click on get some reports or get that prospectus right there on the website. Or you can send me an email directly, and I'd be happy to send you the prospectus or any marketing materials that you'd like to see. My email is kevin@pinefinancialgroup.com. Be sure to check us out, pinefinancialgroup.com.